What's up guys, Daily Driven FP6 here, and in today's video, I'm going to be teaching my friend how to drive stick on my 2015 Civic Si. Hi Terry. Scary Terry. Okay, so yeah, like I said, first, second, third, that's all you're really going to need today since we're in a parking lot. So go ahead and push in the clutch all the way and hit the engine start stopping. And then you can release the clutch. Handbrake is always going to be up.
I do have a couple questions.
Yes.
So, am I able to brake while being in a gear?
Yes.
Or do I need to pull it out of the gear and center it?
You don't have to pull it out of gear, no. But since we're at low speeds, if you're not in third, I usually pull it out of gear. Like, I only ever downshift as low as third when I'm on the street.
Okay.
Because in second gear, you kind of have to be going under like 25 for it to be at a reasonable RPM. And first, you never downshift to, like ever. Because it's literally, first gear is only for taking off.
Okay. So you'll never really ever shift down to first gear?
No, basically never.
Okay.
Because by the time you can get in first gear, you're only going like 15 miles an hour.
I was gonna say, you can only really go, I mean, with this parking lot, you can really only go so fast.
Do you want me to do a lap to show you? Okay, yeah, I got you. This is easier because I drove Andrew's Jeep last week.
Okay.
Okay. So in reverse, you got a backup camera. You only ever give it a little bit of gas when you're taking off.
So you keep the foot on a clutch like pretty much the whole time.
If I'm backing up, yes.
Okay.
Otherwise, you come off of it. I get up to like 10 miles an hour and then I shift to second usually.
I just hope you know I'm gonna slow your car.
No, that's fine.
Okay.
That's not gonna hurt anything.
Okay.
But yeah, you can be on the brake in gear if you want. Like, it's fine.
Okay. Cause when I was talking to Strider about it, he's like, no, you can't brake when you're in gear. Like, there's no way.
I'm doing it right now. And your seatbelt's not fastened.
So I was really trying to pay attention to it. Like,
no, you're fine.
I feel like once I get the hang of it, I'm like, okay, bro, this is money.
It's really not that hard.
I'm just really scared. It's like learning to drive for the first time.
Right.
Really
yeah.
Scared.
So yeah, we'll do like the outer loop here. So yeah, you can get up to third there.
Okay.
And then I think, yeah, I'll have you turn down this direction right before the stop sign.
Okay. Did you just shift down to first?
That was second.
Oh, I was gonna say.
Because then you gotta come up through here, make a stop, and then you gotta take off again.
So you're first right now.
Yeah. See, here, I'll show you. You can get to first by slowing down to like 5 miles an hour and then taking off like you kind of normally would.
Okay.
But otherwise, I'm in second when I'm going above like 7. That didn't happen.
Oh, my butt just sat like on the crack of your seat.
Okay. So when you shift, always push the clutch all the way to the floor. That's
Okay.
just a good practice to start off with. Now get a feel for the gas pedal. See where you can hover around 1,000 RPM. It's not much pressure.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
It's definitely not 1,000, was it? Right there?
Perfect. If you can do that, taking off is easy. So push clutch all the way in, and it's very slowly release it. Feel for when it starts to push back right there.
Like where it starts to push back heavy?
Yes.
Okay.
That is where the clutch starts to make contact with the flywheel.
Okay.
So you want to, below that, there's no engagement. There's nothing.
Okay.
That's where you want to be when you're shifting. So when you're all the way to the floor, that's where nothing is touching at all. And then when you're taking off, you want to kind of hover in that spot.
Cause that's quick. Like, that's like,
yeah.
you push that in and it kind of, like, it gets heavier.
Yeah. When you're taking off, you want to hover in that heavy spot for a little bit and then smoothly, like.
The way I was thinking of it is that you have the clutch pushed in and slowly releasing it while you're pushing on the gas pedal.
That's the gist of it, yeah. And like on a car, there's that spot where it starts to push back at you heavily or more heavily, and that's when it starts to bite. and you want to hover there for a little bit and then focus on being smooth the rest of the way, because you can get to that bite point really quickly. Like if you wanted to, you can like come off really quick and then hover in that spot. That's kind of how I do it, but it's kind of something you have to get a feel for.
Yeah.
So foot on the brake.
Okay.
Yeah. Yep. And then you can take down the e-brake, clutch in, shift to first, foot off the brake, and then you can start taking off. Oh, there you go. Yeah, just once you're done with the clutch, just take your foot off of it entirely.
Okay.
Because right now you're probably slipping it a little bit. So yeah, then when you come to a stop, just clutch in, and then brake, clutch in, clutch in. There you go. Oh, yeah, I stalled it.
Told you that was gonna happen.
And then there you go. Okay. So yeah, you're not in any gear right now. So it's clutch in and shift to first. And then come off the brake and take off as normally. So yeah, just take the turn. Oh, there's the stall. Yeah, you want to be off the brake entirely.
Oh, off. Okay.
Okay. Now take it out of gear. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
So make sure your foot is on the brake and then put it in gear. And now gas it and then take off like normal.
GPS connected.
There you go. There you go. That was pretty smooth.
Recording started.
So now see if you can get up to like 10 miles an hour and then shift a second. Make sure you push the clutch in all the way. And then come off the gas when you shift. That was second, yeah. And then make your left turn here.
Shit, I'm doing it, Mom. And so I can brake without pushing the clutch.
Yeah, and you don't really want to get below 5 when you're in second,
Oh, shit.
but that's fine.
But you also don't want to really downshift first.
Yeah, so now just hit the brake and push the clutch at the same time. All the way to the floor. There you go. There you go. Oh, no, you're in second. You can't take off in second.
Back in.
Clutch all the way in, put it in first. And then take off like normal. Oh, here it up.
Were we in reverse or that shit?
No, we were in first. We're on a slight hill. Woo!
Oh, shit.
A little bit of tire smoke there.
I promise I didn't mean to.
No, you're fine. So, yep, and then you can shift to first or second. Sorry. There you go.
How fast do I have to be going?
What's that? I usually go like 20 once I get to third. It's pretty easy to get there. You gotta push it in the clutch, Terry.
Oh, shit.
Ugh.
My fault.
No, you're fine. So yeah, we'll just take off as normal. So you're not in any gear. So clutch in, shift to first. Oh! Foot off the brake first. Always foot off the brake first. And then... Let's get up to about there and then shift a second. There you go. Nice. A lot of it honestly is just staying in one gear.
I was gonna say,
Like
because how fast can you go in third gear?
I usually shift at like 30-ish, I think.
Okay.
I usually shift around 3,000 RPM.
How fast should you not be going in second gear to shift to third?
What do you mean? Like how fast?
Or does that matter? It really?
I mean, it depends on how fast you want to go. Because if you wanna be booking it, you can rev all the way out to fucking 40 miles an hour. But oh,
Oops.
clutch in, and then yeah, you can slow down. Wow, you got lucky. That was at the exact speed match with the RPM to get down to first.
Oh wait,
That's hard to do.
I totally forgot.
Because you just put it in first and then dumped it.
Oopsies.
The whole thing is not super good on my clutch. When you're in gear, don't rest your foot on the clutch. Put it on the dead pedal.
So is it kind of thinking about just like really just hammering that clutch?
When you go to shift, yes.
Okay.
Just think about just punching it all the way in. Yeah. It's kind of hard to not be aggressive with everything else.
I was gonna say, because like I'm not trying to lunge your car, obviously.
Yeah. Here, let me just pull over right here behind the excavator, and then I'll do another lap and kind of show you. Now that you know what to do, it's a matter of getting it down. So clutch in and then brake. There you go. And then you take it out of gear when you come to a stop. And then you can release the clutch, set the e-brake, and you're good. So yeah, nice and smooth on the pedals.
You're just smooth with it, bro. You're him.
I've been doing it a while. So yeah, when you're taking off, it's nice and smooth. Like watch my foot as I take off. I gas a little bit, and then I hit that spot, and then nice and smooth. I'll come to a stop again, and then you hit that spot, and then you slowly work it out. And then when you shift, you get to that speed. You push the clutch in all the way fairly quickly, and then at the same time you move the selector, the gear shifter.
Okay.
So it's like, I'll get up to third here. So you get to the speed you want, and then shift. And then I always apply.
I don't know why, like going to third feels so weird for me, like, cause I'm like moving it over while I'm hoping to.
Well, that's the thing, you don't have to move it over. Remember what I showed you? How like when you're in second, you just push it up and then it'll go into third. Oh, because it automatically
so all
recenters.
I have to do is just push up.
Yep, it's like boop boop.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Shit, okay.
But I literally just, I don't even, when I'm teaching this, I literally just say go from second, gently push it up without grabbing it, and it'll go. So yeah, I usually cruise between 2,000 and 3,000 RPM.
Okay. Oh fuck, I wasn't even really watching the RPM. I just got trying to watch the road.
Yeah, you kind of get a feel for it depending on how much noise the car's making.
Yeah.
Because obviously,
yeah,
it'll get louder with more RPM. So yeah, we got to stop. You throw it in first right when you get to about 3 miles an hour.
So you should shift down to first, but only when stopping.
Yeah, you don't let the clutch out.
Okay.
But like when I'm coming to a stop, I'll pull it out of gear, and then if I have to take off again quick, I wait till I get to about 2 to 4 miles an hour, put it in, and then take off as normal. So what I want you to do is take off, get up to second, and then when you come up to a stop, take it out of second, just
literally take it out of gear.
Just take it out of gear, let off the clutch, and then gently brake to a stop like you normally would in automatic.
Okay. Okay.
And do that for every time you stop. So for right now, I don't want you to think about third gear. Just focus on second, and then we'll stay at that speed in the parking lot. So when you take off the e-brake, just make sure your foot is on the brake so you don't start rolling.
Okay. Should I have it on clutch too?
Nope, you're fine. Only put your foot on the clutch when you're gonna move this.
Okay. Oh, that's the only time.
It's the only time.
Okay.
If you're thinking about moving this, just make sure your foot is all the way on that clutch. That happens, you're fine. Just keep going. In first gear, it's really jerky.
I was gonna say.
Like it's like that no matter what.
I'll get up here and then I'll see just like.
Yeah.
But well, you wanted me to.
Yeah. So take it out of gear and then gently come to a stop. So foot on the clutch, out of gear, and then like you normally would, just brake to a stop. Smoothly work yourself in. Yeah, that's not bad. That's not bad. So then get up to like 12, and then foot off the gas. You gotta take your foot off the gas when
Oh, that's right.
when you shift.
So should I shift out of gear now?
Nope. Keep going until probably about this first disabled parking spot. Yep, clutch in, and then gently brake to a stop like you normally would.
Clutch again.
Yep, there you go. And nice. Oh, yeah, it's stalled. Okay, take it out of gear. Put foot on the brake. There you go, and then press the button. There you go. So now you're good to put it back in gear, and then nice and slow. Don't panic when we're rolling backwards. It's fine. Oh.
Why am I just now struggling with
You gotta find that spot where it pushes back hard.
Okay.
And sit there.
Let's try again. Okay. Clutch, foot on brake. Foot first. Off the brake.
There it is. There it is. Yeah, there you go. Perfect. That's basically perfect.
Let's go.
You can't get much smoother than that without giving it a little bit more RPM. So now get up to speed and then get it in second. Don't dump the clutch every time.
I know, I promise I'm not trying to.
You're fine. It's not gonna hurt anything. It's just
it's like I feel like I'm a fucking race car.
So yeah, when you shift to second, think about being that smooth as you would in first.
Okay.
Like I work the clutch just as much shifting to second as I do in first. Nice and slow. There you go. That's kind of what happens when you don't give it a lot of gas, because I don't think that was any gas right there.
Yeah, I mean, I was. It's also, I'm so used to driving my truck that I have to like press on my gas pedal a little bit.
Oh yeah.
Too.
So nice and slow when you're on the clutch, or nice and slow when you come off the clutch. If you're not smooth with it in first gear, it's gonna be like.
I would honestly love to get a manual car too.
Yeah, they're fun. Like,
yeah,
it's nice. It's like it keeps you engaged. Oh, I think that was your tire mark. So yeah, now you can pull it out of gear and then come to a stop like you normally would. Nice. All right, let's do one more lap. Oh, lots of RPM.
No. It's that hill. It's fucking.
Oh,
Recording started.
off the gas.
Dude, it's just like rage bait for me. I'm really getting mad at myself right now.
All right, so yeah, come to a stop. And we'll do one more lap.
Okay. Lock in time.
Nice and smooth every time with the clutch. It's close. And install.
Yeah, thanks.
Off the gas all the way. There you go. That's it.
Because if I was going like 9 miles an hour, was that bad or?
That's fine.
Okay.
Because first gear is.
I felt that felt so much smoother.
That was definitely better. So stay in second, and then when we get to that crosswalk thing, that's when you take it out of gear and then coast to a stop like normal.
Okay. So it's not gonna fuck. It's.
Oh, I can smell that. I can smell the tire. It's not. I don't think it's clutch. Then you take it out of gear.
Maybe I'll go a little bit further. Just kidding. Won't let me. Okay. Clutch in. Off the brake. I didn't stall.
You didn't stall. And all the way off the gas. There it is.
Let's go.
No, it's not. It's not even clutch. It was all tire. It was just because you kept fucking. So that's how you drive stick, Terry. I'll have to practice it again in the EK at some point, because that clutch I don't give a fuck about. I'm replacing it anyway.